When holiday shopping, it's convenient to find something for everyone on your list in one place. That's why we like Backcountry, this video's sponsor. Whether your mom wants a packable backpack for a trip to Alaska or your brother needs a fun bag to wear biking, it's super easy to shop for gifts on their site. So no matter how long your list is, we've got you covered with suggestions for this holiday season, starting with that bag for mom. We've been fans of Matador's packable bags for years, and the FreeFly 16 is the perfect compressible backpack for any trip. It's lightweight and water resistant, yet comfortable to carry while exploring. We think a day pack that packs down to the size of your fist is a great choice for any traveler. They can toss it into their travel backpack or luggage for the times when they want to carry extra gear, and it doesn't take up much space if they don't need it often. We think it's the perfect size to get things like a swim cover up and a towel down to the pool deck, and they won't have to worry about their book getting wet when kids cannonball into the water thanks to the water-resistant materials. If they're planning a hike, it has loops to hold their poles. And even though the shoulder straps seem thin, they're broad enough to balance the weight of what's inside. Stretchy bottle pockets tightly hold their drinks or a damp umbrella, and the front pocket keeps a phone, wallet, and keys within reach. We find it easy to stuff an extra layer, a packable blanket, and a lunch for bike rides to the beach, and the compression straps tighten the profile when they need to carry less, making the pack more comfortable to carry as they munch their way through their snacks. For something even more durable, check out the Backcountry 20-liter destination backpack. It has rugged vibes and convenient organization for everyday carry. This means they can use the same bag for their commute and their next trip. It's made with recycled ripstop polyester for durability and has a TPU-like coating for water resistance, so they don't have to worry about getting caught in the rain on their daily commute, or rather how their 16-inch laptop will fare if they do. The rear compartment protects their device and keeps it easily accessible if they use the bag as a personal item on the plane. There's a quick access pocket at the top for a phone and wallet, plus a larger front dump pocket for other accessories like headphones and a notebook. And there's enough room in the spacious main compartment for gym clothing and shoes. Meanwhile, the comfortably padded harness system includes a firm back panel and contoured straps for a stable fit that won't drag them down if they pack it full. There are also gear loops and a sternum strap for extra support on a hike, and you can slide a hydration bladder in the laptop compartment to turn this into a weekend warrior bag. Or they can use the stretchy water bottle pocket on the side for more casual use. If someone you love is heading to Europe, they will need a convenient way to get all that great wine and cheese to their Airbnb. We think the Bellroy Market Tote is a great option since it keeps bottles standing upright and looks nicer than a grocery bag. And that's if they're visiting places that even give out disposable bags, which isn't the case in many European countries. Instead, you can help them be eco-friendly with this recycled polyester tote, specifically designed for groceries. It has a gusseted bottom that makes it easy to fill since it can stand on its own, and the 15-liter capacity has enough room to carry several pounds of meat, plenty of veggies, and a couple bottles of wine. It also includes a smaller elevated pocket for your phone, wallet, and keys, which we like because it reduces the need for a separate bag like a sling. Or they can use it for smaller items such as apples and pears, which may be easily bruised if set on the ground. Of course, it works just as well as a beach tote since they can use the same capacity for towels, sunscreen, and water bottles when they don't have food. That's why we think it makes a great gift, because it's something they can use at home and on vacation. And if they're not sure they'll really need it on their trip, it folds like a paper bag to easily tuck into a travel backpack or a day pack just in case. You'll never know what travel essentials you'll find at Backcountry. They have gear from top brands for any traveler on your list. Whether you need something for your friend who loves to travel or your brother who likes to hike, it's easy to get what you need on their site. You can filter by activity, gender, or even gifts. Then you can narrow it down by price or brand to find the best option. It doesn't matter if they like to camp, ski, or take road trips, Backcountry has a little something for everyone. Maybe they need a new pair of Gooder sunglasses and a Patagonia hip pack to carry them. You can pick up these fun travel accessories and stuff their stockings, or give them the latest Cotopaxi Elpa travel pack. Then they'll think of you every time they pack for a trip. You can even get advice from their gearheads, whether you prefer text or chat. They're available 24/7 to answer your questions and help you find the best travel gear for anyone. Just head over to Backcountry to get started. We'll leave a link down in the description below. Now back to some more great gear. It may sound a little boring, but we love giving packing cubes as gifts. Some people just don't know how great they are until they use them. The Thule compression cube set will get your loved ones started on the path to neat, organized packing. One is slightly smaller than a piece of paper, and the larger cube is a little bigger than a casserole dish, so you can fit a surprising amount of gear inside when uncompressed. We like packing socks and underwear in one and shirts and pants in the other. Sometimes it's tricky to keep our items rolled tightly as we're filling up the cubes because there's so much initial space, but it gets better with practice. Closing them is a cinch with our favorite YKK zippers. We're a big fan of the brand and are happy to see them on gear like compression cubes, which extend the life of the cube and just makes it function better overall. The cubes come in a somewhat see-through off-white color, but they haven't picked up dirt or any other marks throughout the numerous trips with Pack Hacker team members and our families. Truthfully, they are a fan favorite at the office and people are always using these things so much that we could use another set. The next item on our backcountry gift list has caused literal stampedes. But you don't have to fight the crowds to pick up a Stanley tumbler for your friends and family. There are dozens of colors to choose from to suit the style of everyone you know. We like the smaller 30-ounce size because it's a little more portable than the huge 40-ounce mug. It has the same design that we all know and love, with a cup holder sized bottom and a plastic straw. It really is the perfect way to stay hydrated throughout the day. Whether they're on a road trip to see a national park, or at a homecoming tailgate, or just commuting to work, they'll think of you as they enjoy their favorite water or flavored drink. Since it isn't leak-proof, this isn't the bottle they want to store inside their day pack, but it has such a comfortable handle that they can carry it wherever they go. And if you get gifts for the whole family, you can pick a different color for every person so everyone knows which one is theirs. You know we love packable gear, and the people on your gift list do too. After all, you really don't know what the weather is going to be like for 5 days, and you want to come prepared. The Waas Allied down hooded jacket from Backcountry is great to bring along just in case because it's lightweight yet warm from the natural 800 fill goose down. It has a zippered front pocket where they can toss in their phone and wallet as they explore the holiday markets in Germany, and there are internal pockets for goggles or small accessories that they plan to go skiing. It includes a hood and a durable water repellent to keep them warm and dry when they need it, and they can pack it away in the zippered hand pocket when they don't. For a more streamlined look, check out the Peel Primaloft stitch-free baffle stretch jacket. It's still packable yet suited for slightly warmer weather since it has a lighter synthetic fill. You never know when you'll need to keep your passport handy. When you give a frequent traveler the Fjallraven passport wallet, it'll always be with their cards and cash. While it's larger than an everyday wallet, we have no problem fitting it inside most backpacks and slings. We love the layout with 5 slots for cards, a zipper pocket for coins and cash, and slip pockets to hold multiple passports. There's also a rear pocket to tuck anything else they might pick up along the way, whether that's tickets for the train or receipts. The G1000 canvas wallet zips shut, so they don't have to worry about anything slipping out without their knowing. So you can use the space between for paperwork like boarding passes. The material is super sturdy on its own, and it can also be coated with Fjallraven's Greenland wax for additional weather protection if they're heading somewhere damp or on an outdoor adventure. Either way, we think this wallet will last them for trips to come. And since it comes in various deep colorways, you can choose their favorite or pick ones to match the rest of their travel bags. If your friend or family member takes frequent road trips or long-haul flights, then you want to toss this in their stocking. Unlike other neck pillows, this one hardly takes up any space. We love the compact and easy to pack Sea to Summit Aeros Premium Traveler Pillow because it's super easy to inflate and includes a built-in valve that adjusts the firmness. It only takes a few breaths to blow it up, and then it looks just like the bulky neck pillows everyone else carried on board. It has a strap with a buckle to help keep it from slipping off the shoulders and a contoured shape that fits perfectly around the neck. The exterior has a 50D polyester knit cover that is super soft to rest on, so they won't get their cheeks stuck to plastic at the end of the ride. When it's time to put it away, they can quickly deflate it and fold it back into the included carrying case, which fits easily into a sling, personal item bag, or the glove compartment of a car. If you want to give them something even softer than a neck pillow, then check out this fleece from Patagonia. It's perfect for chasing away the chill as an extra layer, whether you're on a plane or sitting by a fire. We think Patagonia makes some of the softest fleece, and the Microdini half zip doesn't disappoint. It has a durable water repellent finish to repel moisture if they get caught in the rain, along with a zipper stash pocket on the chest to hold their wallet on the way to the local cafe. The fleece unzips halfway for extra breathability and has elastic at the cuffs to keep chill from sneaking up on the sleeves. At the same time, the wide bottom keeps it comfortable if they need to reach up and pull their luggage out of the overhead bin. We went for the muted molasses brown colorway because it perfectly suits Lauren's style. You can also get it in bold or monochrome colors if you don't think the color blocking fits the rest of their wardrobe. Of course, maybe your loved ones prefer to use their bags as a statement piece. If they're a fan of BAGGU's artsy design and sustainability, then they'll love this Crescent bag. It's made with durable yet crunchy recycled nylon with a recycled ripstop nylon liner. Then it's topped with a chunky YKK zipper that slides easily. You can get it in a rainbow of colors, and that variety is part of the fun of the BAGGU bag. This one is a great size to carry the essentials and a bit more when needed, whether that's a water bottle, a packable jacket, or a snack. There are 2 large zip pockets inside so they can lock down their phone, wallet, keys, and earbuds instead of scrounging around for them at the bottom of the bag. The chunky strap is comfortable to wear over one shoulder or crossbody, and it's long enough to easily do both. Our staff writer Eric says he loves the shape of this bag since it contours nicely to his body while he's on his bike. So if you know someone who is more active, this could be a great fit for them since they'll be able to carry a bit more than the essentials while they ride. Of course, like many BAGGU bags, the medium nylon Crescent bag also flattens to tuck into a larger travel backpack or a suitcase. It's always nice to have a bag to carry daily throughout the trip, and this is a great, stylish one to consider. So no matter who you're shopping for, you can find the perfect gift over at Backcountry. We love to hear about new gift ideas, so let us know the best gift you've given to a fellow traveler down in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video.